This piece of wood I had lying around completely dried out, but so damaged by rot, it barely holds together. You can see how easy it crumbles. Most people would throw it away, but I wanted to give it another life. First step, I cleaned it up gently, removing loose debris, but keeping the natural shape. Now I'm going to stabilize it with 1:1 craft resin. Okay, it's cured and stable, but had an ugly cut at the back of the wood. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cut it and split it in two. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to place them in the mold. Now it's the fun part. I'm going to mix some craft resin and make a deep pour. I mix my resin and start pouring. The resin soaks into all those fragile fibers, hardening the structure from within. Low viscosity craft resin deep pour formula is the best for the penetration. With some sanding and polishing, I bring out the details. Depending on the shape and your imagination, that could become anything. A lamp, a functional piece of art on your bedside table, or anything else you can imagine of. This is why I love working with resin. It lets you save and showcase nature's beauty, even from the most damaged wood, from firewood to functional art. All it takes is a bit of vision and the right materials. If you like this transformation, please follow for more ideas and resin tips. And don't throw away your old wood just yet. That was Alex from Blueprint Woodcraft. Happy crafting!